Hello everybody, welcome to Maths online classes of KCET through Anand Medical Academy. So in this session, we will discuss what are the previous year questions, nothing but PYQs of integrals. So from 2018 to 2020, nothing but three previous year questions we will solve from the chapter integrals. So let us start with that question number 1. You know how important the solving the previous year questions. Why? Because you will get an idea how the models will be, how difficult the questions will be, or how easy the questions they will ask, and on which concept they will ask continuously. You will get an idea so that you can attempt in that examination what you are going to write. So now we'll start with that KCET 2018 integral first question. So that is integral 1 by 1 plus e power x into dx is equal to. See for this integral 1 by 1 plus e power x, okay, that e power x I will write it as e power minus x, okay, 1 by e power minus x into dx, okay. So then it will become, if we take LCM, it will become 1 by e power minus x plus 1 by e power minus x, right? So into dx, then e power minus x you can send to numerator, so then it will become e power minus x divided by e power minus x plus 1 into dx. Got it? Now if you observe clearly, what we can take substitution is e power minus x plus 1 equal to t you take. That means you take denominator substitution. So e power minus x differentiation is minus e power minus x into dx equal to dt. So that is what numerator. So e power minus x into dx is dt. So integral of 1 by t dt you got. So what is integral of 1 by t? Nothing but log mod t. What is t? Okay. What is t? T here is e power minus x plus 1. So this is what you got. So but this is not you cannot see that in options, so that's why you need to simplify further. So that e power minus x we can write as 1 by e power x plus 1 plus c. So it will become log of, you take LCM, it will become 1 plus e power x by e power x plus c. Okay, this will be the answer. So when come to options, so it is option A. Okay. See, e power x idaga maximum you try to take e power x common, then only you will get this step only. Otherwise you write e power x as 1 by e power minus x. Like that also you can do. Next question. Integral of 1 by square root of the equation I am writing 3 minus 6x minus 9x square. So whenever you have that quadratic equation type, you need to convert into perfect square, right? So that means you take minus common, it will become 9x square plus 6x minus 3. So that you convert into perfect square. See, in PU you have done so many problems regarding how to convert quadratic equation into perfect square. So that is I am writing 9x square as 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 1. Why? Because in order to get 6x plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 3. So it will become 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. If you bring minus inside, it will become minus 4 will become plus 4. Nothing but 2 square minus 3x plus 1 whole square. So then that equation function will become 1 by square root of 2 square minus 3x plus 1 whole square into dx. This, if you observe, this is in the form of integral of 1 by square root of a square minus x square into dx, which is nothing but sine inverse of x by a plus c. You know that. Now here, so it will become sine inverse of x by a. What is x? 3x plus 1 by a. What is a? 2 plus c. Is it correct answer? That means option 1 is correct? No. Why? Because again for 3x you need to do chain rule, that is 1 by 3. Now this is the correct answer, that is option C. See, everyone will do up to here, that means you will get option A as correct, but that is wrong. You need to apply again chain rule of 3x, that is 1 by 3. So then it will become option C will be correct. Next question number 3. Integral of e power sin x into sin x plus 1 by secant x into dx is equal to. So if you clearly observe this, integral of e power of sin x into sin x plus 1 into, see this secant x is there, na? That secant x we can write as cos x dx. 1 by secant we can write as cos x. Now here if you observe clearly, we can take substitution. So that is sin x equal to t, you take substitution. Then sin x differentiation what? Cos x into dx equal to dt. So that means cos x into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So e power sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e power t into this is a sin x means this will be t plus 1. So if you observe, this is in the form of integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, which results e power x into f of x plus c, right? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ e power x into f of x plus c, but this one also is in that form only. Why? Because t is f of x, 1 andre f dash of x, t derivative 1. So directly we can write as e power t into t plus c. T replace with sin x, e power sin x into sin x plus c. Observe the options. It will be option A. Okay. Next question. Integral minus 2 to 2 modulus of x cos pi x dx. See, this is actually a very lengthy question. Okay. See, whenever you get this type of question, if you think that this is lengthy, you leave it to that last. Okay. See, first of all, whenever it is in the form of minus a to a form, minus a to a f of x dx means it will become f of x, nothing but 2 times of 0 to f of x dx, or it will become 0 based on odd function and even function. How to consider odd function and how to consider even function means we need to substitute f of minus x. See, this question is very important and very lengthy. I am telling very clearly, understand. So when we will get this condition means f of minus x equal to f of x. When we will get a 0 condition means f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Now I am substituting minus f of x. But here if you observe clearly, as it is modulus function, as it is minus a to a, but inside modulus function, whatever you apply, whether you apply minus or plus, what will get positive only. So let us check x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus x substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus x cos of minus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos theta. But as we have modulus, we will get positive only. That means modulus of x cos pi x. That means f of minus x equal to f of x. Then how we can write this given question means instead of minus 2 to 2 x cos pi x into dx, we can write as 2 times of 0 to a modulus of x cos pi x into dx. Okay, this everything you need to do within seconds. See, in mind only you need to think that if you substitute, if we have modulus function, that will be positive only. That means f of minus x equal to f of x agutte, and that means 2 times of 0 to a we need to write anta. Directly you go for this step. After that, so 0 to 2, okay, 0 to 2, and again whenever we have modulus, we need to split that, right? We need to split that. That means when we can split that these limits, that means whenever this modulus function will become 0, at those cases only we will split that. Okay, let us check at where it will be 0. Starting at x equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? x 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ everything will become 0. That means this is one point. Next thing, ಇದು pi x 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರು, okay, ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? So that means pi x, it will become 2n. Okay, this is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That means here pi we can get cancelled, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, pi we get cancelled. X equal to 2n plus 1 into 1 by 2 will get. That means n equal to 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n is 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ x value 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by 2 in between 0 to only we can take, and again n equal to 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x equal to 3, this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is also in between 0 to 2 we can take. For example, n equal to 2 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 2 to is 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But 5 by 2 is not in between 0 to 2, so you should not take 5 by 2. So what you need to take is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2 and x equal to 3 by 2. So that means, see, 2 I will multiply at last. So I will take only this integral 0 to 2 modulus of x cos pi x dx. Okay, will be splitted into first 0 to 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 to 1 by 2 mod x cos pi x dx, okay, plus again 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 modulus of x cos pi x dx, okay, and again plus 3 by 2 to 2, so again it will become modulus of x cos pi x dx. But whenever we split that modulus, we need to write whether it is positive or negative. So but here the first condition for 0 to 1 by 2, it will become positive only, x cos pi x dx only. But 1 by 2 to 3 by 2, it will become negative. See why 0 to 1 by 2 positive means, see 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 అంటే 90. So in between 0 to that 90, it will be positive only. So that's why positive. Next 1 by 2 to 3 by 2, for example 2 pi substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 180, that is negative. So ಇದು 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x cos pi x dx. Again plus 3 by 2 to it will become positive. Why? Because third quadrant to fourth quadrant ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 by 2 to x cos pi x dx ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಂತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು. ಸಿ ಇವಾಗ see for these three functions, let us consider this as I1, this as I2 and this as I3. For these three functions, x cos pi x is same. So we will find only one function integration, that is x cos pi x integration we will find. After that we will apply these integrals for this, and again these integrals, and again these integrals we will apply. Hope you understood. See ivaga nodi idu continue ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See ivaga first that I will consider as I is equal to integral x cos pi x dx. You know that this is in the form of UV rule. UV rule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? U into, okay, integral of cos pi, okay, integral of cos pi x dx minus integral of derivative of x 1, again integral of cos pi x dx whole dx. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೈ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus cos, minus into minus plus cos pi x by it will become pi square. So this is what integral of x cos pi x dx. Now for this we need to apply these limits. See here, for this x sin pi x by pi plus cos pi x by pi square. For this you need to apply limits, okay. 0 to 1 by 2 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಂದರೆ 1 by 2 to 3 by 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ 3 by 2 to 2. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ as it is a same function ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 8 by pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 8 by 2 pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 times ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ 2 into 8 by 2 pi will become 8 by pi is the answer. See how to get these values means first substitute 1 by 2 and simplify and then 0. Okay, it's a very lengthy question. So when you get these type of problems, you try to do at last. See, still if you want this simplification, you WhatsApp to me, so I will send the solution to that also. Okay, next so 4 problems completed from 2018, and from another question, integral 0 to 1 dx by e power x plus e power minus x into dx. Okay, 0 to 1 1 by e power x plus e power minus x andre we can write as 1 by e power x into dx. So we can write it as if you take LCM it will become e power x by e power 2x plus 1 into dx. Yes or not? E power x into e power x, e power 2x plus 1, the denominator will convert, goes to that numerator. Again this one we can write as 0 to 1 e power x by e power x whole square plus 1 into dx. E power x whole square andre e power 2x tane. Now what I will do is I will take e power x equal to t substitution, then we will get e power x into dx equal to dt. This is what numerator. So it will become 0 to 1 e power x into dx is dt 1 by this is t square plus 1. It is in the form of integral of 1 by x square plus a square into dx, which will be converted into tan inverse of x by a. So okay, 1 by tan inverse of x by a plus c. But as we have taken substitution, we need to change that limits also, right? So that you should not forget. When x equal to 0, what is t e power 0 1? When x equal to 1, okay, x equal to 1, t equal to e power 1 e agutte. Okay, change these limits also. So ivaga enagutte t 1 to e agutte. So integral of 1 by t square plus 1 enu tan inverse of t to the limits 1 to e. So it will become tan inverse of e minus tan inverse of 1. So we know that tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So option B, tan inverse of e minus pi by 4. Next integral 0 to 1 by 2 1 by 1 plus x square into root 1 minus x square. See, this problem we have done in yesterday's class regarding definite integrals. So once again I will tell, see how to simplify this. X equal to sin theta tagoli, x equal to sin theta tagondidre differentiation madidre dx equal to cos theta into t theta, right? Now at the same time x equal to 0 agidre t equal to ಏನು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x equal to 1 by 2 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ okay, t equal to pi by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin inverse of 1 by 2 pi by 6. So limits change ಮಾಡಿ. So 0 to pi by 6. So dx into cos theta d theta. Okay, first you substitute. Okay, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square andre 1 plus sin square theta. Okay, square root of 1 minus x square, square root of 1 minus sin square theta and square root of cos square theta. Square root of cos square andre cos theta, and again in the place of dx what we can write is cos theta into d theta. Cos theta cancel. So 0 to pi by 6. Here observe 1 by 1 plus sin square theta you will get, right? 1 by 1 plus sin square theta. For that 1 by 1 plus sin square theta, if we divide by cos square theta, 1 by cos square theta will become secant square theta divided by 1 by cos square will become secant square theta plus sin square by cos square will become tan square theta into d theta. Now 0 to pi by 6. So this denominator I am writing secant square as again 1 plus tan square. Now 1 plus tan square plus 1 tan square is 1 plus 2 tan square theta. Why secant square we can write as 1 plus tan square theta means we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square. So into d theta. Now what we should take substitution is tan theta equal to some t tagoli. Okay, tan theta is equal to t. That means see here, sorry, here not t theta. Okay, now tan theta equal to t, then secant square theta into d theta is equal to dt. That means secant square theta into d theta will become dt. So change the limits also. If theta equal to 0, what is t? T enagutte tan 0 0. If theta equal to pi by 6, what is t? T equal to tan pi by 6 enagutte 1 by root 3 agutte. So those limits also is substitute. 0 to 1 by root 3 agutte. Secant square theta d theta andre dt agide. So 1 by 1 plus 2 tan square theta. So 2 square. So we can write root 2 t whole square. So this we can write tan inverse of root 2t, okay, to the limits 0 to 1 by root 3. Again chain rule of root t is 1 by root 2. This is very important. Next, so 1 by root 2 into, first you substitute 1 by root 3, it will become tan inverse of root 2 by root 3, root 2 by 3 minus 0 substitute madre 0. Okay, so this is your answer. So option number A. Okay, these are the 6 questions from the year 2020. 18. So as I said, from every year minimum 5 to 6 questions from integrals you'll get. That means ನೋಡಿ 6 questions andre out of 60, 10% of weightage from integrals only. So please be careful and practice more and more problems from integrals. Next, integral minus 3 to 3 cot inverse x dx. Same ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ cot inverse x ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಟಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈವೆನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈವೆನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಟಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 0. ಆಡ್ ಈವೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈವೆನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, ಆಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ cot inverse x as even or odd. So I am converting that cot inverse x as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Why? Because we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. That means in terms of cot inverse I will write pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Now here I will split this integral minus 3 to 3 pi by 2 dx minus 3 to 3 tan inverse x dx. As pi by 2 is constant, so 1 dx, integral of 1 dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x to the limits minus 3 to 3 minus, I am writing this as 0. Okay, this will be 0. Why? Because we know that tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. In ITF you will get tan inverse of minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. Nothing but f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Odd function andre 0. Now this is pi by 2 into first 3 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Okay, 6 pi by 2 which is equal to 3 pi is our answer. Option C. Okay, see whenever you have cot inverse x, convert into pi by 2 minus tan inverse. Again whenever you have cos inverse, convert into pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x. Next question, integral of 1 by root x plus x root x dx. Next one, this integral of 1 by root x plus x root x. So if you observe, from denominator I am taking root x common. If you take root x common, it will become 1 plus x. Okay na, 1 plus x into dx. Now see what I will do is root x equal to t I will take substitution. If I take root x equal to t, okay, root x equal to t ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become 1 by root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x into dx equal to dt. That means 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 dt. 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 dt. Now here if you observe this 1 by root x into dx I am writing as 2 dt. So this 1 plus x, okay, 1 plus x we can write as 1 plus root x, right? So 1 plus root x whole square we can write. Okay, in this step 1 by root x into 1 plus x now we can write 1 plus root x whole square into dx, right? So 1 by root x into dx ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 2 dt ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, 1 by root x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 dt ಆಗಿದೆ. It will become 1 plus t square. Okay, 2 outside I will take 1 plus t square into dt. Integral of 1 by 1 plus t square will become tan inverse of t. What? Okay, that means 2 tan inverse of what is t? T is nothing but root x plus c. So option B. So if you have doubt on this, you can do cross verification, like do differentiation to this answer. If you get this this question, that means this is correct answer. Next question, question number 3. So this question is based on partial fractions. Integral of 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. You need to find a value, b value, c value. See, this is very important question. Based on this partial question, they are asking a, b, c values. So for that, you know the procedure. 2x minus 1. Okay, ಇದು numerator ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? ಇದು numerator divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, which is equal to, as you know that we will take a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 3. So as you know that it will become 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to denominators cancel agutte, and then it will become x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 3, okay, plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, up to now you know how to find this. You'll write a by first root, b by second root, c by third root, and then you take LCM. These denominators will get cancelled. You will get like this. See, after this what you need to do is, see, when this when x plus 2 and x plus 3 is there, you take x equal to minus 2 you take. When you take x equal to minus 2, a value will be eliminated and then c value will be eliminated, we will get b value. Okay, if x equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 5. As x equal to minus 2, a eliminate agutte, c eliminate agutte, b will become b into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 2 plus 1 is 1, okay, which is equal to minus 5. Yes, sorry guys, here the question, this is minus 3, that means this is also minus, and here we will get minus 3, here also we will get minus 3. See, otherwise I will tell another method, you see. Okay, this is easy only. Okay, x equal to minus 2 you take. If you take x equal to minus 2, it will become minus 5 is equal to, as minus 2 a eliminate agutte, c eliminate agutte, b en agutte, minus 2 into minus 1 will become minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 will become minus 5. So minus 5 cancel, b is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, b value minus 1 by 3. That means it may be option B, option C, or option D. Next, to get b value, x you take, x equal to 1 you take. Okay, x equal to 1 substitute madidre, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equal to x 1 agidre, a into 1 plus 2 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2. So 1 agidre b 0 agutte, c 0 agutte. That means a equal to minus 1 by 6. Again from this minus 1 by 6, that means it may be b or it may be c. Now you take x equal to 3 tagoli. X equal to 3 tagondidre, 2 3s are 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5, and then a eliminate agutte, b eliminate agutte, c will become x value, if it is 3, 3 minus 1 2 into x value 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 cancel, c is equal to plus 1 by 2. That means according to this option is B. See, very easy, no need to confuse. So question here I have written wrong, that's it. Okay, now integral 0 to 2 step x square dx. So this is very important question. Integral 0 to 2 step x square dx. You know that step values, okay, limits we need to change according to those integers, right? Why? Because based on that integers only it will change. But here the function is x square step x. Okay, integral 0 to 2 x square step x into dx. Now for this we need to take those values where we need to split that integrals. That will be x equal to 0 and then x equal to 1, okay, and then x equal to root 2. Why? Because root 2 whole square, which is equal to 2, and again x equal to root 3. So those values in between those 0 to 2. So that's why we need to take this 0 to 1 first. 0 to 1 step x square dx, okay, plus 1 to root 2 step x square dx, and again plus root 2 to, okay, root 3 step x square dx, plus root 3 to 2 step x square dx. Okay, so these are the limits you need to change. Now as it is 0 to 1, you know that step value will be 0, so that it will become 0, okay, and then this step value we need to find from 1 to root 2, right? See once again, see 0 to 1 andre step value 0 agutte, okay, 0, and then in between 1 to root 2, what was the value of that step 1, okay, so integral 1 to root 2 1 dx plus integral root 2 to root 3, this step value will become 2 dx, okay, plus and again integral root 3 to 2, this step value will become 3 dx, okay. Why? Because root 3 to now root 3 whole square will become 3, and again root 2 to root 3, root 2 whole square will become 2 now. So integral of 1 means x to the limits 1 to root 2 plus integral of 2 is 2x to the limits root 2 to root 3 plus integral of 3 is 3x to the limits root 3 to 2. So if you substitute, we will get root 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 6 minus 3 root 3. So as it is 6 minus 1 which is 5, root 2 minus 2 root 2 is minus root 2, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is minus root 3. So it is 5 minus root 2 minus root 3 option C. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ ಇದು ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 0 to 2 root step x square dx ಇದೆ, but when the values will change means set 0, 1, root 2 and root 3. Why? Because these all values will be in between 0 to root 2. Okay. So 0 to 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 to root 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, root 2 to root 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because root 2 whole square is 2 and again root 3 to 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. According to that you need to integrate. Next question number 5 in 2019. Okay, see whenever you get these type of questions you need to do rationalize first. Okay, 0 to 1 rationalize 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x. You need to do rationalize. So what you will get according to that is 0 to 1 root 1 plus x into 1 plus x is 1 plus x whole square. That means root will get cancelled. 1 plus x divided by root 1 minus x into 1 plus x is root 1 minus x square into dx. You know that. Now after this, see I will split that integral. See here, 0 to 1 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, plus integral of x by root 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, you know the value of this. Okay, again the limits are 0 to 1. You know the value of this 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse of x to the limits 0 to 1. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin inverse of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pi by 2 minus 0 means pi by 2. Now what about this is, you take 1 minus x square equal to t ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ denominator. So you will get minus 2x into dx equal to dt. That means minus x into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt by minus 2. And again as we have taken substitution, change the limits also. X equal to 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 0 0. X equal to 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 1. So x 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 0 1, ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So limits change to 1 to 0. x into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt by minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So x into dx dt by minus 2. So this is 1 by root 2. You know that 1 by root 2, this is minus 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 means 2 root 1 by root t, right? Okay, 1 by root t is 2 root t to the limits 1 to 0. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This is pi by 2 minus of, first substitute 0 minus 1. You will get pi by 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So option A. Okay, see the rationalize ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ 1 plus x by root 1 minus x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you distribute that integral 1 by root 1 minus x square dx plus x by root 1 minus x square. You take for this you will get sin inverse x 1 to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು pi by 2 ಇದು. Okay, next when come to this 1 minus x square equal to t ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ minus dx. ಇದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ x dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 2 dt ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by root 1 minus x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by root t. Integral of 1 by root t ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 root t, and then you substitute these limits. Next question, integral of x cube into sin 3x. So this is a 2019 last 6th question ಇದೆ. So ಇದು UV rule, according to UV rule we need to do. See in that, according to that x cube and sin 3x, which function we should take according to Eilert? According to Eilert we should take first x cube only, next trigonometric. Why? Because this is algebraic, this is trigonometric. So order is ILAT, right? Okay, that's why this is first, this is second. That means integral x cube into sin 3x dx. So this is correct order only. Now we need to apply UV rule. That is first u into, that means x cube into integral of sine 3x dx, okay, minus integral of u dash, that means derivative of x cube is 3x square into, okay, integral of sine 3x. Integral of sine 3x is minus cos 3x by 3 into dx, right? So 3 and 3 get cancelled, it will become x cube into integral of sine 3x is minus cos 3x by 3, minus into minus plus, 3 cancel, you will get x square cos 3x into dx. As we have integration, again we need to do. So this is minus x cube cos 3x divided by 3. Again UV rule. First x square into integral of cos 3x. Integral of cos 3x is sine 3x by 3 minus integral of derivative of x square is 2x into cos 3x integration is sine 3x by 3 into dx. So it will become minus x cube cos 3x by 3 plus x square sine 3x by 3. Okay. So ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕಾಸ್ 3x by 3, ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿನೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ 2x by 9 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x by 9 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 by 3 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ minus 2 by 3 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. Integral of x sin 3x dx. See, as these two are common for B and D options, I am not doing these two. I am simplifying only this one. So minus 2 by 3 integral x. So minus 2 by 3 integral of x into sin 3x andre, again UV rule, x into integral of sin 3x. Integral of sin 3x is minus cos 3x by 3. So this will be enough. Why? Because minus 2 by 3 into minus plus 2 by 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಿಕ್ ದಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 3x, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 3x by 3 into dx. Again this will become plus 2 by 9 x cos 3x, okay, plus integral of cos 3x andre sin 3x by 3 into 3 by 9 plus c, okay, but 2 by 3 is there na, 2 by 3 into 9 27 plus c, which is option number D. Why? Because minus into plus idu minus agutte, okay na. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿ ಇದು. ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2018 and 19. Now we will solve the questions from 2020. That nothing but last year questions. So this is a somewhat difficult question, guys, but we can simplify by using one simple logic. Okay, a simple logic after identifying that options only you will get. Okay, so what are the options here? Tan inverse x, ella tan inverse x ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ tan inverse x ಏನು 1 by 1 plus x square ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1 plus x square ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6. For this I am multiplying with 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square dx. So then, so ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x square, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 1 into 1, this is 1 plus x square plus x power 4 plus x power 6, okay, divided by, so this is 1 plus x power 6 and again 1 plus x square into dx. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 x power 6, that means 1 plus x power 6 by 1 plus x power 6 into 1 plus x square ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. and again x square plus x power 4 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 6 into dx. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 plus x power 6 divided by and again x square plus x power 4. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus x square plus x power 4 ಇದೆ. That means if you take x square common, what we will get? 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 6 into dx, right? So then it will become, these two will be cancelled. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus x square by idu. So x square by 1 plus x cube whole square into dx we can write. Now the solution will be very easy. You take x cube is equal to t substitution ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3x square into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ dt. That means x square into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು as it is tan inverse x. Next, so it will become 1 by 1 plus t square. So this is tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus t square andre tan inverse of t plus c. But what is t? T is x cube plus c. So this is the answer. So option C. See, you very careful agi you need to take this step, that is multiplying dividing with 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. Why? Because we have tan inverse x for all that options. Okay, next question. So the value of e power sin x into sin 2x. So this is a very simple question. So e power sin x into sin 2x we can write as a 2 sin x into cos x, right? Okay, I'm writing 2 outside. E power sin x into sin x cos x dx. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ sin x equal to t ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. sin x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು? cos x into dx equal to dt. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ cos x into dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e power t into sin x. sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? t. e power t into t. That means this is uv rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So according to Euler exponential ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 into t e power t dt ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ t into u into integral of e power t is e power t minus integral of differentiation of t is 1 integral of e power t again e power t integration is e power t ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 2 into t e power t minus e power t only will get. Now ಇವಾಗ 2 into e power t ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ t minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2 into e power t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? e power sin x into t minus 1, nothing but sin x minus 1 plus c. Now you go for the option, that is option number B. Okay, next question number 3, integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. See, already cot inverse ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ cos inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ again this is very easy problem. Integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, cos inverse x you write it as pi by 2 minus sin inverse x into dx. So split that integrals minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 pi by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 sin inverse x into dx. As you know that this is odd function. Why? Because sin inverse of minus x is minus sin inverse x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So which is nothing but minus f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, which is odd function. Odd function ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 0. ಸೊ ಇದು pi by 2 into x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because pi by 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 dx ಅಂದರೆ x. ಸೊ minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ pi by 2 into ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 by 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆನ್ minus 1 by 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ pi by 2 into half plus half full. That means which is pi by 2 is our answer. Option number C. ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್, as you know that cos inverse we can write as pi by 2 minus sin inverse. There directly it will become 0. Then you do pi by 2 into half plus half. Directly you can do that. So you can do within 10 seconds. Next question number 5. So last 2 questions from this session. The question is the value of integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square. Now the question, the value of integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು substitution ತಗೋಬೇಕು, that is x equal to tan theta ಅಂತ. If you take x equal to tan theta, dx will become what? Secant square theta into d theta. So actually this is a shortcut method. Answer will be pi by 8 log 2 only. Okay, see here x and dx equal to tan theta secant square theta into d theta. At the same time we need to change the limits also. As x equal to 0, tan 0 will be as theta, sorry, x equal to 0, so theta also will become 0, and then as x is equal to 1, then theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 is, this is pi by 4. ಇವಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 to pi by 4, this is log of 1 plus x andre tan theta into dx andre secant square theta into d theta divided by 1 plus x square, 1 plus tan square theta andre secant square theta. As these two cancel, 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. So you need to remember the value of this. So this will be useful in so many problems. Value of this is pi by 8 into log 2. So this is the shortcut you need to remember. Sir, if I did not remember the shortcut, then what I need to do? So that case also I will tell that you solve. As it is in the form of 0 to f of x, 0 to f of x andre 0 to f of a minus x andre log of 1 plus tan theta we can write as tan pi by 4 minus theta according to 0 to f of x dx. 0 to f of x andre 0 to f of a minus x into dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the ಪ್ರಕಾರ tan pi by 4 minus theta, this we can write as 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b, that means 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta, okay, into d theta. So 0 to pi by 4. So ಇದು ನೀವು LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2 by 1 plus tan theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. So as you need to consider this as I, ಇದು ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. How means, see I will do, okay. So as we are doing, I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log a by b, which is log 2 d theta, okay, minus log 1 plus tan theta, which is nothing but I only, this is I. So which will be 2i is equal to log 2 into x to the limits 0 to pi by 4, which is 2i is equal to log 2 into this is pi by 4, then I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is the general procedure you need to follow, but you remember the shortcut, which is pi by 8 log 2. Guys, now this is the last question of this session. So this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x. See, whenever we have in the form of minus a to f of x dx, we need to check odd function even function according to f of minus x. But f of minus x ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos of minus andre positive, but 1 plus e power this. So this will be never okay, we cannot identify whether it is positive or negative. So that's why which property I will use here is, I will apply integral a to b f of x dx property here. So did you remember integral a to b f of x dx andre integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. That means in the place of x we need to write a plus b minus x, upper limit to lower limit to add ಮಾಡಿ minus x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it will become minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So as we will consider this as equation 1 I, which is equal to equation 1. After that cos of a plus b andre pi by 2 minus pi by 2, 0 minus, this is minus x, okay, divided by, and then this is 1 plus, okay, 1 plus e power minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x andre e power minus x into dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this will become minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of minus x andre cos x divided by e power minus x andre, see this 1 plus e power minus x we can write as 1 by e power x. So e power x plus 1 by e power x irutte, aa e power x I will write in numerator. Okay, hope you understood this. So e power minus x na 1 by e power x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ತರ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ e power x into cos, ಇದು equation 2. Okay, now I will add equation 1 and equation 2, which results 2i is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, this is a cos x by 1 plus e power x, this one e power x into cos x by 1 plus e power x into dx. So this will be 2i is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So LCM will be same, e power x. So from these two, if you take cos x common, 1 plus e power x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So these two will be cancelled. 2i is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x into dx. you know that integral of cos x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That means 2y is equal to sin x to the limits minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So it will be 2y is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1. Minus of minus sin pi by 2 minus 1 plus 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. These two cancel. I equal to the value is 1. Option number D. Okay, this is how we need to solve the questions. See, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it from 2018, 19 and 2020 questions. See what are the types of problems you got is, okay, see here. So the types of problems what you got is, see another, okay, one more question is left here. Okay, I did not say. Okay, see here. See, this is 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 x minus 2 into x minus 3, which is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3x plus 1 by, ಸಿ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು 2018 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ a into x minus 2 plus, okay, a into x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೂ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 ಇಂಟು 1 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 4 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2. ಸೊ 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಂಟು 2. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು 2. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 2 6 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 7 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 1 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 7. ಸೊ ಎ ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 7 ಎರಡಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 3 is 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 2 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 1. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು 2018 19 2020 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ KCETಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಒಂದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು 2 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 1 2 3 4 5. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೇಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು, ಯು ವಿ ರೂಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು, ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಡೆಫಿನೇಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು 2 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್, and indefinite integrals in the and the substitution method 1 question. That means in every year compulsory you are getting 6 questions. Again I am reminding 10% of KCET maths weightage based on integrals. So that's why practice more and more questions. If you have any doubts you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.